Hello everyone, I'm Laura Gardner and welcome to the class. I'm excited to be in the final stretch of our MSW and our specialized internship. The type of agency that I am completing my internship at is a drug and alcohol facility. They offer outpatient treatment. They do a few groups. They have prevention programs where they go into younger grade levels in the schools in the area and teach kids about the risks of using drugs or alcohol. They also go into the school setting as well to do individual treatment with kids. There is also a community-based program that is an intensive program that works with the family members as well as the child that's addicted. It's kind of skeptical because a lot of families don't want to participate, being they also have a substance use disorder. But for the few kids that I have worked with, I referred a few from my job as an MST therapist, and they seem to do well. So I think it is a beneficial program for kids. I'm hoping to get out of this experience a better understanding of the co-occurring disorders. I don't have much experience working with the drug and alcohol population. I also will have an opportunity to sit in with the therapists that work with the clients at the Suboxone Clinic. That is something that I have not worked at all with. So that'll definitely be a new experience for me. I think this experience will be very different from my previous field. I was at a domestic violence shelter prior. At that internship, I was not able to hold my own caseload due to their regulations, but at this one, I am able to have my own caseload. So I think that the client interactions will be a bit different. I feel and have been told so far that many clients either miss appointments if they're put in jail, what have you. There are many reasons why clients don't make it to their sessions, but it isn't held against them. They are able to come back with no restrictions. So I look forward to hearing about everyone else's internship, and good luck.